When people think about making money on YouTube, most people think that they have to have millions of views or hundreds or millions of subscribers on their YouTube channel. Thankfully, there are several different ways to make money with YouTube, and some of these methods to making money with YouTube do not require you to have a large channel or a large following and to have millions of views for a video. And one of these methods is affiliate marketing. So that's what this course is about, is how to make money with affiliate marketing through YouTube. I'm going to tell you why to use YouTube for affiliate marketing. I'm going to cover all the affiliate programs, or at least most of the affiliate programs that I know of that you can use to start affiliate marketing with. And I'm also going to give tips on working with Amazon, because working with Amazon can be a little bit tricky. So I'm going to have a video talking about how to work with Amazon. And since Amazon is one of the most popular affiliate programs out there. But I'm not just going to teach you how to promote physical products. I'm also going to talk about promoting digital products on YouTube. I'm going to be talking about affiliate disclosure, just for you to be safe and to avoid getting into trouble. I'm also going to be talking about how to build a list with YouTube. And I'm also going to show you how to get more clicks on your videos.